iPitori iphethe umkhandlu kamasipalata obangwa khulu izinhlangano zepolotiki ekungumasipalata osemzimkhulu wenarha. Kanti njengoba kusikhathi sekhetho nje uyabaseleka umbango wezepolotiki. Kanti ngahlanye umasipalata lo sophenduke idzaba lemiguruguru yezepolotiki. Lokhu kunjengombana kusikima umbango phakathi kwehlangano ebusako. Umbango ubonakala sowudlulele nangale kwezepolotiki. I-SANCO ithi sowudlulele endabeni yamathenda namahlelo wezomthangalasisekelo. Amanye amakhansela sekaqatsha nabo maqothula bona babavikele. Kodwa nasekubuye kwagadla phezulu kwawo.
Since 2016, this thing was caused by the then administration of the ANC that they bring this monster to us. Today, we are in trouble, we are not safe.
Manenga amakhansela abulewe eTshwane solo kwango 2017. Kubalwa noTshepo Mtaung odunyuzwe emhlapha nje nabekakhambela umhlangano we-ANC eMabopane. Zihlangane esilevini inyembezi zesilukazi esibeletha Mtaung nasikhumbula bona akasanamuntu ozosihlokomela.
They killed my son. Somebody who was putting the plate on the table so I can eat. Now who's going to give me that plate?
Ungqongqotjhe wamapolisa usungule iphiko elizokulisana nemiguruguru yombango wepolitiki eTshwane.
It looks like the KZN issues of political killings that's been adopted by Tshwane.
Mcozululo wezepolitiki usola ikambiso lokwaba kwamathenda.
The reason why you see the killings to the extent they are, especially around election times, is because people want the positions that would lead them to the trough.
Imiguruguru yombango wezepolitiki ihlalisa emphakathi yeTshwane kabuhlungu.